Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a custom recipe from your current edits in VSCO. So, first of all, you want to open the VSCO application, so just click on the icon, as I did. Then you want to go to the studio, which is this icon right here in the center bottom. Then let's just edit whatever picture that we want to. So let's say I want to edit this one and click on the editing button, which is this one right here. Then if you want to go to recipes, and here you have your all custom recipes right here. So just click on the one that you want to delete, then just click on the three dots right here, and going down you're going to have this option called delete recipe. So if you want to delete, just click on this one, and as you can see, it is no longer in our custom recipes. So this is it. This is how you can delete a custom recipe in VSCO. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!